Welcome to Finance Story, where we transform numbers into captivating tales. Today we're embarking on an epic journey through Reliance Industries Q4 FY25 results, unveiled live today, April 25th, 2025. Get ready for a story of triumphs, challenges, and a bold future. Let's begin. We're diving into the latest chapter of Reliance Industries, led by the visionary Mukesh Ambani. This company, a titan of India's economy, just released its Q4 numbers for January to March 2025, and it's a roller coaster of highs and lows. So, settle in with your favorite snack, and let's unravel this financial saga together step by step. Reliance Industries, India's largest company by market cap, has just dropped its Q4 FY25 results. The headline? A profit surprise that's got everyone talking. Consolidated net profit climbed to 19,407 crore rupees, marking a 4.6% increase from last quarter's 18,540 crore rupees. That's a solid win. However, compared to last year's Rs 99,951 crore, it's down 2.8%, showing a slight dip over the annual story. Revenue held steady at 2.4 lakh crore rupees, matching the previous quarter, a testament to Reliance's ability to weather storms. But Reliance isn't a one-note story. It's a trilogy with three powerful chapters. Jio, the telecom giant. Retail, with its sprawling stores like Reliance Fresh. And O2C, the oil-to-chemicals backbone. Today's tale reveals a mixed performance, while Jio and retail shone brightly. O2C faced some rough seas. This sets the stage for an intriguing narrative. Let's turn the page and explore each segment in detail. Now let's dive into the heart of our story, the numbers that tell Reliance's tale. That Rs 90,407 crore profit might sound like a big number, and it is. It beat analyst expectations of 18,820 crore rupees, giving investors a reason to smile. This growth comes from a 4.6% quarterly jump, though the 2.8% annual dip reminds us last year was a high point. Why the mixed feelings? Let's break it down by chapter. First, the hero, Jio. This telecom titan saw revenue rise 5% to 31,500 crore, fueled by 4.8 million new subscribers this quarter. That's nearly 5 million people joining the Jio family. Average revenue per user, or ARPU, climbed to Rs 206 from Rs 203.3 last quarter, thanks to recent tariff hikes. It's a story of growth and profitability, with Jio's EBITDA margin holding strong at 55%, meaning over half its revenue turns into profit before big costs. Imagine running a business where more than half your earnings stay in your pocket. That's Jio's magic. Next, the steady companion, retail. Revenue grew 6% to 68,000 crore rupees, driven by festive season demand and expanded store networks. With brands like Reliance Fresh and JioMart, this segment catered to millions, boosting EBITDA to 5,600 crore rupees with an 8.2% margin. It's a tale of consistency, supporting Reliance's diverse portfolio even as other areas waver. But every story has its challenge, and here it's O2C. Earnings fell 8% to R5,200 crore, a drop from last quarter's strength, due to refining margins shrinking to 6.5 per barrel. Global oil price volatility and weaker demand hit this segment hard, pulling its EBITDA margin down to 10%. It's a tough chapter, but it's just one part of the bigger narrative. Overall, EBITDA rose 3% to 41,500 crore, a sign of resilience. Jio's 55% margin and retail's 8.2% offset O2C's 10%, creating a balanced tale. This financial saga shows Reliance's ability to adapt. Every great story needs a future plot, and Reliance is writing an ambitious one. Let's peek into the next chapters. Jio is pushing for 85% 5G coverage across India by mid-2026, planning to add 5 million AirFiber users to its 47.7 crore subscriber base. That's a leap into the future of high-speed internet, connecting even the remotest corners. Retail's next chapter is about expansion, with 120 new stores on the horizon. Reliance is targeting rural India, aiming to bring JioMart and Reliance Fresh to new communities. This move could add 10,000 crore rupees to revenue if successful, building on the 6% growth to 68,000 crore rupees this quarter. And then, the green revolution. Reliance is investing 80,000 crore rupees by 2027 into solar energy and hydrogen projects, part of its pledge to make India a clean energy leader. This isn't just a side plot, it's a transformation from oil dependency to sustainable power, aligning with global trends. What does this mean for profits? Analysts predict 7 to 9% growth in FY26 if oil prices stabilize above $70 per barrel and Jio's ARPU hits 210 rupees. That could push profit past 20,800 crore. But there are risks. Oil price drops, 5G competition from Airtel, or delays in green projects could throw a curveball. Mukesh Ambani's vision is clear. Reliance is pivoting to tech and sustainability. And this quarter's results are just the prologue. Let's pause and reflect on the lessons from this quarter's tale. Reliance's Q4 profit of 19,407 crore, up 4.6% from last quarter, shows resilience. Jio's Rs 31,500 crore revenue with 4.8 million new users, and retail's Rs 68,000 crore with 6% growth are the bright spots. O2C's Rs 5,200 crore dip due to 6.5 per barrel margins reminds us of global challenges. While the future, 5G, retail expansion, and green energy promises a thrilling sequel. But here's where you come in. Every story needs its audience, and your thoughts shape the next chapter. Are you excited about Jio's 5G push? Concerned about O2C? Drop your predictions in the comments. I'll read the best ones next time. So what's the takeaway from Reliance's Q4 2025 story? A profit of 19 crore 47 lakh crore rupees, driven by Jio's growth and retail strength, despite O2C's struggles. A steady market at 2,960 rupees, and a future filled with 5G, 120 new stores, and 80,000 crore rupees in green investments. It's a tale of adaptation and ambition. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance stories from India, and ring the bell for updates. Share your Reliance thoughts below. Will it soar or stumble? Explore our Earnings Insights and Future Trends 2025 playlist for more epic tales. Thanks for joining. See you in the next story.